Apps like Mistplay don't pay you for playing games in general. They pay because advertisers fund specific game installs and milestones, then reward you with points that convert into gift cards or cash once you reach a minimum withdrawal level. By the end of this, you'll know 5 apps similar to Mistplay, how each one actually generates rewards, and what really decides whether payouts feel fast or slow in real use. Start with how these apps actually work. Every app in this space runs on the same model. Game companies pay for user acquisition. The reward app sends you to install games. You complete in-game objectives, and the app credits you based on tracked progress. So payout speed isn't about gameplay. It's about offer availability and tracking reliability. First category is game-only reward apps. These apps focus mostly on mobile games. You earn by installing and completing levels or missions. They feel fast at the beginning because new users get high-value game offers, but those offers shrink after the first few installs are finished. Second category is hybrid reward apps. These apps mix games with surveys and small tasks. The advantage is constant activity options, but payout speed depends on what type of task you complete and how quickly it gets verified. Third category is offer wall apps with game sections. These apps have the widest selection of earning options. You'll see games, downloads, and short tasks in one place. They can feel faster overall, but tracking delays can happen because multiple advertisers are involved. Now here's what actually matters when comparing these apps. Offer refresh rate is the biggest factor. If new game offers don't appear regularly, your earning potential drops after the initial batch. Tracking accuracy is the second factor. If your progress isn't recorded correctly, you lose rewards even after completing everything. And payout thresholds matter more than most people realize. Some apps require higher point totals before you can cash out, which makes them feel slower even when earnings are steady. So instead of trying to find one fastest Mistplay alternative, the smarter approach is using more than one app so you always have active game offers available. Summary: apps like Mistplay pay through advertiser-funded game installs and milestones. Speed depends on offer availability, tracking, and redemption requirements. No single app is consistently faster for every user. Next step: install one Mistplay-style app and complete a single game milestone to see how quickly your progress tracks and becomes redeemable. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or misleading, fast payout claims.